Of course, you know me already. So, welcome to Forever Thankful Christmas Party 2023 here in Solving Dessert Cafe Country Mall. So, yes, is everybody thankful tonight? Yeah, so there's so many reasons to be thankful every day. So despite of many problems, despite of obstacles we encounter in every day in our life, we should be thankful. We should have faith and be thankful. Always be grateful every night. So we welcome you all. Welcome you all. So at this moment, may I call in Ma'am Aluna to please the food. So everybody, please.
제대로 안 좋아하나?
The adding of pandemic, we have lot of computers.
소미야.
The shop, kumbaga,
아니라
may down din siya. Yes.
물로 같이 나가지 마.
Very down din siya in terms of sales, everything. Because of pandemic and now, saan kayo na of computers. But, luckily, from January until November, is na survive din nato ang sales. So, a round of applause! Yes.
소미야 나와 여기 안 보여.
Yes, from gamay na sales, hantod sa na-achieve nato from, na-remember pa na po is last time is 7K, 6K, something, average. Then now, we're about to 5 digits na tayo. Yes, congratulations. So, part of this achievement, I would like, or we would like to honor these following persons who are part of this sales. We would like to give a certificate of appreciation is hereby presented to Kate Marie Gopolco, Jerdine Gabini, and Gary Olila for outstanding performance and contribution to solving sales improvement and development from January to November 2023. So given this 60th of December 2023 at Solving Dessert Cafe Country Mall, Manila. This is signed by the owner David Rayo and Gary Olila, the manager. So may I request Sir David to please be here on this one. So start with Kate Marie Gopolco. So please take a picture. Alright, thank you so much. Stay here, sir. Jerdine Gabini. And of course, yours truly, Buddy Joy. Thank you, Sir David. You can now take your seats. The following persons, thank you so much. So, balik na ta sa music na plot after
Yun, babakasin mo, ha?
Yun na siya. Ako trabaho na rin, MC, music operator, organizer, anan.
아이라.
And of course, aside from those certificates, let us hear a message, of course, to those people who are receiving the gift. So, let's start with Michael Dikdikan. So, what can you say? Forever thankful. and Christmas.
May copy ko no? Back to back pa.
Wow.
Yo, yo.
Sing, sing.
May gabi sa tanan. Forever thankful this 23 because I have my complete family. Despite many trials in life, it remains stable. Especially thankful to God for the good health
Ay, hila.
He gives. And also the one who accept to have opportunity to work this company as my one source of income to feed my family and my That's all, thank you. Advance Merry Christmas. Alright, so thank you so much, Michael Dikdikan. Of course, and next, a round of applause to Jerlyn Gabini. You are forever thankful.
Good evening, everyone. So, there is so much happening in my life this year. There are sadness and there are also happiness. Sadness is when my Lola passed away last October, and that really broke our hearts. And we promised to Lola that we will take care of Lola. That's why I am thankful because we always had a family gathering in my grandparents' house. It's really fun, and we wish our Lola was there sharing laughter with us. I am forever thankful and grateful to my parents because they are very supportive of what we want. I always feel their love and support of what we are doing. We are so lucky to have. So next, I'm also thankful for Solving Dessert Cafe and to my co-workers for helping me to learn a lot of things, like teamwork and how to communicate people. I am working here for almost 2 years, and you guys treating me like a family. And also, thank you for this certificate. This means so much to me. And I really believe that Sir David is the most kind boss that I've ever known.
뭐라고?
There is a saying, take care of your employees so that they will take care of your business. That's why we are really positive here in shop and doing our best to get the sales up. We are forever grateful for you, Sir David, because you are so kind to your employees and to everyone who is here. And last, I would like to thank everyone for giving us time for joining us here in our Christmas party 2023. I really hope we all could share laughter and happiness this evening. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, Jerlyn Gabini. So wow, what a nice message. So I think you are the winner. Of course, a round of applause our next to speak. Forever thankful. Kate Marie Dupongo. Round of applause.
Forever thankful. First of all, I thank God for giving me an opportunity to live and be with my family, especially today, and give good health for my family and blessing as well. Forever thankful to be part and still part of this team of Solving Dessert Cafe. I didn't expect to be here for long. I've been here for more than 5 years, almost 5 years. Shop, not just my workplace, it's like I'm being committed to it for half of my life. I'm very grateful because Shop is one of the source of income that help my family to survive, to feed my family, to buy our needs. I can really say this is the best job of all. Forever thankful, we have generous boss and kind. He will not hesitate to help, especially when it comes to family. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Kate Marie. Wow, what a nice message also. So the next message is me. So I have three things only to say. I am forever thankful. Of course, the first is Sir David for the opportunity giving me as, of course, he is very supportive. Whatever idea I have, whatever suggestion we had, he is always a supportive person. So that's why I'm very, very much thankful, forever thankful, Sir David. And of course, the second is my co-employee or my co-staff. I'm forever thankful also because you are supporting whatever my idea and you're always there. The respect also is there. And lastly, above all, is God. Thank you so much, Lord. Thank you so much, God, for the strength every day in my life that we are here. The safety of this shop, of course. Thank you so much. Okay. So, everybody, a round of applause and congratulations to all. And for that, may I come in again, Sir David, to please be here to give this spaghetti package to all employees. So, here, yes, here, you also. Michael, yes. So, it's one and pass. Okay. This one. And Jerlyn, that's yours.
Meron pati.
Okay, picture. 1, 2, 3.
Hindi naman noon. Dito sa kayo. Oh. Hindi tayo mamikot. Yun.
Okay, Waki. 1, 2, 3. Alright, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much again. Oh, ayun yung ikuha ako. Di ba kami kayo yun? So the next part is the raffle. So mag-raffle sa mga kailangan. So our grand prize is the sa tawagan ni? Salad. Then the second is the biscuit. Then the rest is mga minor awards. So ang last ko na dili matawag noon siya magulong aning duhang. Okay, start with the raffle. Sir David, please pick someone. Okay, only one. Who will be the winner? The first. Oh my God! Oh my God! Natuwa ako dito ba na akong ano? Gary, yes! Oh, picture! Ako na online makuwi. Okay, next! Next. Okay.
Hindi siya makatawa.
Oh! Congratulations, Jerlyn! Yeah! Okay, last one. Okay. Who? Leonie! Yes! That's you. Yes. Okay. So much for that. Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Magpa-games na ta. Okay. Sa games, I need 2 groups, and every group there is 4 members. Go. So group yourself into 4. So first group and second group. 1, 2, 3, or 5. 5 in a group. So pakita mo pag-create mo group. Create your group. Yes. Don't worry because there is a prize. There's a lot of prizes here. Yeah. Nakailang ang premyo. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, usapin kayo ganiyan. So, that means, hindi. Upat. Upat. Si Juan, Jimson.
Two more.
4. Leonid. 1, 2, 3. Leonid. Upat. 4 in a group. Leonid, go. Obidjo, Kati 1. Kati, yes. Okay. So, 4. No. Each group, pagsabot mo isa yung leader. Who's the leader? Okay. The game's called, this is very famous, Tumpak Gunner. Tumpak Gunner in Showtime. Kuwadro siya. For example, you're the leader. So, here, sample na, this is sample. Pag-alikod mo, buhat ako category, then magdungan mo o katubang. Like for example, your category is flavor of the ice cream. 1, 2, 3, katubang. Agad mo, mention na mo. Okay, sample. Your category is flavor of ice cream. In 1, 2, 3, go! That's good. So kung parehas mo ba, or namoy points. So first, 5 points each group, ha? Yes, we give you a category, sir. For example, another example, you're the leader? You're the leader. For example, okay, talikod. For example, if 1, 2, 3, go, tuduan mo tubag, ha? For example, your category is brands sa motor. 1, 2, 3, go! Yes! Okay. Pinaalam ka magtungan din kay punta. Okay, sige. Let's start with this one. What's the name of your team? What's the name of your team? Okay, Team Pabibi Girls. How about this one? What's the name of your team? Okay, bisag unsa nga group. Bisag unsa nga group. Bibi Girls and bisag unsa nga group. Okay. So mo pa yung keyboard. Okay, let's start there. Okay. You're the leader. Okay, start. No. Sorry, here. Talikod. Then after ni mo exit ka dito, siya na puno. Ikaw permanente ra ka diha. Sige. Okay. Your category is name of junk foods. In 1, 2, 3, go! O saan mo mas? Yatos, yung fish crackers. Okay. And no point. Okay. Next, here. Okay. Okay. Your category is brand of t-shirt. In 1, 2, 3, go! There's a lot of t-shirt. Unsa? Wala mo? Wala na 2 points. Next. Okay, next. No points. 0, 0. Okay, next. Your category is flavor of milkshake. In 1, 2, 3, go! Unsa? Mo? Wala may mango milkshake. No mango milkshake. Okay, 0, 0. Okay, next. Here. Okay. Be ready. Your category is flavor of bingsu. In 1, 2, 3, go! No, sir. Flavor of bingsu. Flavor of bingsu like injolmi, mango strawberry. So, saan mo tubag? Wak po ka tubag? Okay, 0. Okay. No point. Next category. Okay, for BB girls, your category is name of candy. In 1, 2, 3, go! White rabbit, then Brutus. Okay, walang mundugan. Okay, next, kani. Okay. Okay. Something or your category is from fruits nga naa sa bahay kubo. In 1, 2, 3, go! Ah? Sigaw ba sa ka? Oh, yeah! That's the 1 point! Pero, ang pangutan na, fruits ba na singkamas? Oh, sige, basta kayo po natin, nagkadungan sila, or at least ako sila 1 point. Oh, apas, apas. Okay. 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 Your category is from brand or shampoo. In 1, brand of shampoo. In 1, 2, 3, go! Ano sa'yo mo? Sansagay mo. Okay, wala. Next category here. Okay. Your category is makahubog na ilimnon. In 1, 2, 3, go! Ah, lahi ba niya? Okay. Pula po. Yeah. Lapu. Pula po. Yeah. Lapu. Hopra. Point mo. Wala, dapat magdungan dyan mo. Okay. Next category. Hari. Okay. Give me anything color. In 1, 2, 3, go! Wala. Masaya mo ito ba? Green. About you? Pink. Ano eh. Okay. Next. Your category is flavor or something flavor of coffee. In 1, 2, 3, go! Masaya ito bago? Ha? Cappuccino, matcha, ano eh. Okay. Okay, next. Okay. Okay. Next. Your category is food menu. Ini kay nga food nga rice meal. In 1, 2, 3, go! Yes! We have 1 point also. So next. Okay. 1. Okay. Your category is asa man yung category? Hindi mo naman sa kalabahan. Okay. Something Filipino song. Filipino song in 1, 2, 3, go! Kasi buti ko. Pag-asa. Wala siya kabaga. Wala. Next. Okay, 1 point. So, whoever the first group makes to the first point is nana siya yung one. So, makes the 2 points. Okay, your category is something makita sa grocery store. In 1, 2, 3, go! Shampoo. No. Okay, boys, you still have a chance. Okay. Brand or anything. Some drinks. In 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, congratulations. Okay, naamoy ko oops. Oh, that's yours. Oh, this is yours, sir. Thank you so much. Okay, this is also yours. And this one. Okay. Alright, congratulations. Yes. So at this moment, all kids. Kids.
Kiss ka.
Kids. 1, 2, 3.
Ira.
Who's the other one? 4. Si
Ira. 나와.
Oh, 5. Okay.
나 땅콩 하나 줘, 땅콩.
So,
빨리
how
가.
to have alin yung arrange? Line. One line here. No. Just, okay, just go like that. One line there also.
소명아, 저로 가. 빨리.
Di siya ganahan. Okay. Opa. So, are you familiar with hip hip parade? Hip hip. Parade. When I say hip hip, you clap with 5. And they say hooray, hooray. Okay? For example, hip hip. Ubos ang hip hip. Hooray! Oh, hooray! Like that. Again, hip hip. Hooray! Yes, very good again. Hip hip. Hooray! Okay, again. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hip hip. Okay. Again, yes? You get it? How about you? You get it? Okay. He's just watching me. Okay. Okay, again. This is number 4. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Hooray! Okay, this is the final. Okay, let's start the game. Whoever masayok is out. Automatically out. Okay? So, ready? Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hip hip! You're out.
Ay, nawa.
Okay, it's okay. Just continue the.
Okay.
Okay. Ready? Hooray! It's okay. Hip hip! Hooray! 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 Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Hooray! You're out. Okay. 1, 2, 3. It's okay. Just join. Okay. We have 3. Okay, ready, go! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hip hip! Last 2. Okay. Okay. Who will be the winner? Okay, ready, go! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! 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 Hip hip! Okay, congratulations! You will be the winner. Okay, but don't worry. All of you will receive a gem. Okay? No, let's do it. No, this one. This one. This one. Yours? No? Okay, go.
Ako ba siya?
A moment. I will give you this one. This one is yours. Okay. Okay, this one is yours. Okay. Aliyar.
먹을 거야?
Lahat na sila ha. This one is yours.
나중에?
Oh, another one. Okay. This one. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Everybody a round of applause. Okay, congratulations to all the winners. And of course, at this moment, I call in again Sir David to do the raffle. To draw something.
뭐야?
Again,
어? 나랑
draw. Let's draw another 3. Congratulations, Sir David! Oh, okay. Ito, i-assist. Okay. Yes, okay, next one. Chinson! Yes! So, kung walang matatawag, you have a chance to receive something. Oh my God, congratulations! My God! Good. Okay, only one. Okay, last one, sir. Last one. Okay. Oh my God, congratulations! You do have a chance, Kate. So, kinsa wala matawag? 1, 2. Si Mama Luna, wala pa no? Wala pa? 3. Oh, napa mo yung chance sa ninduhan. Isa dyan ka. Okay. Journey, can you read us here? Sure, Gab. It's okay. Bring your Gab. Bring your Gab. Go your Gab.
MJ, you bring gift and then take picture.
Okay, so take a picture. Oh, here, come here. Okay, take a picture. Okay. Okay.
One.
Camera. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, another pose. 1, 2, 3, smile. Alright, congratulations, kids. Okay. Next, let's proceed to another game. So for this game, I need choose your partner. Choose your partner. Something, any partner. By pair. Okay. Choose your partner. No, come in. Partner mo. Basta kayo, by pair. Okay? So, dali.
MJ는
어른 게임.
얼음만데?
Okay na lang. Two groups, right? Another group. Sige.
나도 줘봐 주면.
좀 매콤해. 조금 매워. 아빠 일로 와봐. Why no song?
Okay. Sige. Nana, partner na. This is familiar. Again. Sa comment naman, nakita ko bindot ng mga music. Ano may idea? Kami na naman, saan siya may idea? Only 3? Other! Oh, sa'yo pa kayo, ano, like, it's so early, 9 o'clock. Our target is 3 o'clock. Alright, sige. Okay, so, this game is paper dance. Paper dance. Actually, it's not paper dance, it's cellophane dance. So, four groups ba, right? Okay. This is cellophane dance. Okay. Please open to the biggest. Yes, pinaka the biggest. Yes. Okay. Kung mag-easy, it's not my fault. So this is so familiar. Okay, let's start. No sample. No sample. Okay. Ready? Okay, dance. Yes, you can do dance. Okay. Okay, with the music stop, kinahanglan ka matugtong mo tanan. Okay. Okay, stop! Okay. Okay, dance! Hindi ka na! Mura, hinay ang music na to. Ah. Okay. Oh. Wow. Oh, wala nataga. Okay. Okay. Please hold ito half. Okay. Hold it to half. Alright. Okay. Dance. Oh. Yun ang music. Okay. Dako pag space. Okay. Wala na taga. Okay. Fold into half again. Dance. Dance. Wala na taga? Wala? Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Fold into half. Okay. I think you have a technique. How? Okay, Mother Alma, you are the judge. And Ma'am Aluna ha. Okay. Alright. Sige. Dance! One, two, three, go! 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's dance! Go! Dance! Okay. Ma'am Aluna and Brother Alma, please, we select the best dancer. Okay? We select the best dancer, ha? Okay, go! Best dancer, ha? Best dancer. Okay? In 3, 2, 1, up! 4, 3, Alright! Okay. So, Jerlyn and Anthony is out. Alright, next. Okay. Okay. Who will be the dancer? Okay, dance! Kasali na ito mo naman. Sayaw! Dance! the best dancer? Sila po, yay! Congratulations! Both of you will receive a gift bag from Pita. Yes. Okay. Okay. Alright. Alright. Sir David, may request? So nakapay 5, 5, request 3. Alright, 3. Oh my God! Congratulations! You will receive the gift pack. Kathy! Alright. Last two. Congratulations to them! Okay. Give it. Alright. Last one. Continue. Congratulations, Mother Alma! Yes! Inside wala ba tawa? Catherine Luna? Oh my God! Okay, later, sir. Later. Okay. At this moment, I request please assist me for the gift. And also Jermaine. Oo, hindi ko na sabi.
Ate, sa'yo lagi yung party, no?
Bring me upan! Iwato Rico!
What is upan?
White hair! Okay, congratulations! Since you like this one, so this one. Okay, that's yours. Happy. Okay, another. Bring me 500 peso bill. 500 pesos. Oh wow! Yes. Thank you so much. All right, you will receive this one. That's one. Okay. Next,
어머.
bring me slipper. In 1, 2, 3, go. Tarong sa kumawa na yun. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, congratulations. Okay. Now, later. Thank you, Sir David, for the... Oh, no. Sorry. Sa katong na yung mga gift, please come here and get your number. You have gift? Okay. Oh, I'll get the one to pick first. Okay, please pick. Pick your number. Okay.
Apa, you get your number, Apa.
Okay.
Kami kayo na
Okay. Okay, nakakuha ang tanan? Alright. Okay. Sir David, please come here. Then select something, what number? Okay, get up. Okay, number 10! Forget number 10. Oh my God, congratulations! Yes, thank you so much. Next, sir. Next. Okay, that's number 10. Number 8. Oh. Okay, next. Number 4. Number 4. Okay. Yes, thank you so much. Next. Oh my God, number 11. Ako ang itipan. Ay, Annette, congratulations for gambit kaya mo. Okay. Wow. Congratulations, Annette. Next number. Number 7. Public number 7. Oh. Congratulations. I think that's open. Oh, that's small. I think this is power bank. Number 5. Oh, Mother Alma. Yes. So what's next? Oh, that's refrigerator. Number 6. Wow. Wow. Congratulations. Next number. Number 1. Wow, my God. Okay. Next. So I think there's number 3. Oh wow, congratulations. Alright. Next, number 2. Number 2. Wow. Alright. And the last one is number 9. Okay. So thank you so much for the
괜찮아, 나중에 안 돼.
number.
나중에 와서 안 해. 수민아, 이거 챙겨. 와, 이거 좋은 건데, 이거. 야, 이거.
I'm the one who bought it.
Okay, are you ready already? Wow! So, let's reveal. I will reveal this one. I think this is from Germany. Oh my God! Yes, you're correct!
iPhone 15.
Oh my gosh. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, since we still have this one, I'll gather everything, the names here, all our names. So David will take again. Okay. So additional gap. Okay. Okay, what's the name? Tunet! Additional, go! Yep, okay. Next. Lucas! Wow, Lucas! You have Jeff again. This one. Last one, where is here? Sir David! Oh, sir, please just still pick, sir. Because I will give this one. I will give this decent. Sir, pick again, sir. And I will give decent. Okay. EJ! Oh, yes, wow. And also, last two. Eight. Last one, sir. Okay, last one is happy. Yes, so happy and program. Okay, give it to your mother. Okay, so everybody a round of applause. Yes. Yes, that's very nice. And it's about, before we reveal the two who will receive this one, they call it, of course, a Christmas message from Sir David. A round of applause.